Okay, so if you clicked on this video, I believe you're looking for a solution to find a way to download Debutify and connect it to your Shopify store. So what we need to do is go to Debutify.com and click on try for free. Let's go to your Shopify admin page and just copy this thing and get back here and paste it up here, and let's click on create my account. Now let's just go to our email. Let's click on verify email address, and here, in order to log in, let's provide the name of our Shopify store again, of this, maybe not our store, but actually our Shopify admin page link, or whatever you call it. Provide the email again. The whole process is pretty self-explanatory, but if you follow me, that's cool. What is going on here? I've already done it. Okay, so we finally here. I don't know why this process took so long. It used to be way easier, but that's why I'm doing this tutorial, I guess. So up here, let's just go to get the theme and click on download. Now that our zip file has just been downloaded to our computer, let's search it up in a folder. Let's unpack the zip file, go to extract to das fire. That's the name of my store. I'm going to sell lighters and stuff like that, so I thought this name would be pretty cool. So go to online store right now, and once we are on the themes tab, let's click on add theme and upload the zip file. And let's click on upload file once you find the zip file. So actually the unpacking process wasn't really necessary, I believe, but either way we are here. So right now it's been installing, and all we have to do right now is just click on publish once the theme will be ready, and then you can start customize it. So I believe that will be it for this video. So if the tutorial was helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.